Welcome back to the Mad About Media YouTube channel, and today we're going to go through an Instagram hashtag strategy that can get you views like this from just a simple post, a 10-second video and literally just a tiny caption. So stick around to the end of the video to find out how to get the best hashtags for absolutely free. So there are a couple of free ways that you can use to find hashtags on Instagram to help your Instagram account grow. So firstly, let's start off with just normal hashtags. So let's start off with a hashtag that you believe is trending and that is a part of your target audience. So for example, for Mad About Media, I'll be looking at online marketing or internet marketing. Now it's got 4.7 million posts. Now, as you can see, this has got 4.7 million posts, and there's other hashtags in the same sort of niche with the same word inside. As you can see, online marketing tips, online marketing strategies. You want to be finding the ones with the most posts. Now, ideally, you want to be looking between 15 and 20 hashtags that are all aiming at your target audience. So if you just want other ones that are not in the same that don't have the same words, online marketing, literally just click on online marketing. And then you've got all the related ones here. So you've got marketing, strategy, marketing agency, digital marketing. You've got all these different ones. Now all we gotta do is open up a little notepad in your phone. Once you've opened up the notepad, all you gotta do is keep on going back to Instagram, finding the best ones that have got the most posts in, the trending ones, and then just take them from there. All you gotta do is go onto your competitors' Instagram, so find your 3 best competitors, find the most trending posts in the last couple of days, go onto the hashtags that they're using, and if they are using any hashtags, for example, look at the ones that they've used the most, look at the ones that are most familiar and most common. You can take them then and put them into your own post. Again, it's not going to be copyrighted because this is Instagram, you can literally use anything. So that was the second little technique. By going to Instagram hashtag tools, now you want free ones, you don't want any paid ones, is the whole video's about. And this third option is just in case you can't find any hashtags from your competitors or don't really know which ones to start with. So if you go onto keywordtool.io, it'll come up with a keyword, and we want to type in online marketing, for example. Now this is a completely free tool to use. I believe there is paid options as well that can make you see the actual. I believe there's a paid option on this as well that can give you more options and give you more hashtags and stuff. But if you're only just trying to use it, then this is the best ones. So it comes up the 4 most best posts: online marketing tips, online marketing strategies, online marketing coach, and you can use these as similar hashtags. You could also use your own personal hashtag if you'd really want to. Again, you need to grow that through organic growth. You can't just start using hashtag Mad About Media when no one clicks on Mad About Media and no one finds it. People follow hashtags to find relevant content that they're looking for. That's why it's very ideal to use in your Instagram posts and can target your Instagram audiences easily. So I'm uploading an Instagram post here right now. We're gonna literally quickly add the Instagram video that I did the other day on Monday. If you haven't seen that, just check the description down below and you'll be able to find the link to it. It's also an Instagram caption video on how to get the best captions. We've got an Instagram post here, we've got a little caption, and we're going to post it up, and then you're going to follow me as I put the hashtags on. So you want to put it as a long video, Instagram TV video. Right, next, how to write the perfect captions. Right, so now we're putting how to write the perfect captions for engagement on Instagram. We're going to put in this here.
Okay, right, we've already got it on Facebook. Right, now we're going to add a little call to action button dead quick. Right, now that's added. So that's been added. Now once that's been added, we want to go to where I got the hashtags from. So I got the hashtags right here. So this is specifically just for this one, but as you can see earlier on before, I made the exact way to get them by literally just going onto your competitors' hashtags and finding the best ones. So I've found the best ones exactly for this post, so let's just find it.
Now, thank you all for watching the video. Please leave a like and comment down below in the description. comment the hashtags down below that have worked well for you and the ones that you're using with the tools from this video. And also, give us a like and give us a subscribe, because we're going to be uploading more Instagram marketing strategies and more social media marketing strategies in the future, as well as everything to do with online marketing. So thank you everybody for watching, and see you later.